easy to transfer images from your camera to your smartphone. All you need is our Creators app. That's available on Android and iOS, so make sure you've got that installed. Also, make sure you've connected your smartphone to your camera. If you're not sure how to do that, check out our video on how to connect your smartphone to your camera. You can choose which images to transfer from your smartphone, but we're just going to have a look at how to do it from your camera. Press the playback button and go to the image that you want to transfer. Now press the FN button and you'll see the option of Send. Select this and you'll have 4 options: this image, or with this date, a filter condition, or a manual selection. This image will just transfer one image. Or with this date will transfer all the images on the date of the photo you've selected. Add a filter condition gives you great flexibility on exactly which images you want to transfer, and manual selection enables you to go in and manually tick box the images you want transferred. Let's have a look at adding a filter condition. Here you've got many options to choose from. So first of all, the target group of this date. You can make sure that it's only look at images which are on the same date as the photo you're on, or you can even look at this entire media, because of course, some of our cameras have dual card slots. You can select whether it transfers still images and movies, only still images, or only movies. You can also filter by the rating of an image. So if you rate your images with 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, you can filter by those. So for example, if you only wanted it to transfer the 5-star images, then you can make sure it will filter out those and transfer them across. Or alternatively, you can have multiple boxes selected, or even have it transferring only the images which are not starred. In transferring movies, you can make sure it only transfers movies which have a shot mark on them. For still images, you can also filter by protected images. So again, you can set in here that it only transfers images that you've put a protection on. You can also set it to look at the transfer status. So has this image already been transferred to a smartphone? You can have it so it will transfer all the images that you select within your filter, whether it's been transferred to a smartphone or not. Or you can have it so it only transfers images which have not been transferred before to a smartphone. This means that if you're doing a lot of shooting during the day, you can transfer some images across. Later on, you can use the same filter and make sure that it only transfers across images which have not been sent to the smartphone already. So let's see this in action. At the moment, I've selected only protected images and only non-transfer. So if I go onto my images, it realizes there's no target images. If I press the protect button, as you can see, the protection symbol has come up at the top of the screen. Now, when I'm in my playback, I might not even be on this image, but if I'm on an image from the same day, and I press the FN button, and press the send, I want to use my filter condition. This was exactly the same as we set before, so we have only protected images and only non-transferred. I do OK, it recognizes the image, and it's sent to my smartphone. You can also see that the green image on the top left here is indicating this image has already been sent to a smartphone.